Hi! Elsa here, just a few designs, and oh my god, it's been a minute, hasn't it? So much has happened, but I'll do a video and let you know what happened while I've been gone for so long. Surgeries and COVID and kidney stones and cancer. It's just been a long, hard 2 years. I think I've only been off for a year though from videos, but it's just been, whew, it's been life. But today, really quick, because I've always run behind on everything that I do, because once again, I am Queen Procrastinator. I am making some Christmas cards, gift card cards per se. Here are 3 of them. And I designed them so that they would work as a little ornament, so you can hang them on the tree and then just have whoever they belong to pick them off the tree, or you can put it in an envelope and mail them, or do whatever you want for them, hand them out to people. So these are the 3 different little styles that I got going on. This one, I used little tiny magnets, and I just happen to have, which, don't even ask me where I got these, because these were like a million years ago when I had these. Look how tiny that magnet is. They are tiny. I may have gotten them from Harbor Freight, I don't remember, but that's a tiny magnet. So that's what I used on this one. So the way that this works is, here's your ornament, and you'll pull down on this, and here's your card. And right here, you can write a sentiment, the name, or whoever you want to do it. And I put it to where it comes out sideways, so when you close it, you can still see that it's a card right there, it's a gift, and you hang it. So that's how I had this one. Now this one, if you don't have magnets, you can also use a paper clip, which is what I did with this one. I just took a sticker and stuck it on both sides back to back, so you have a pretty back and a pretty front on a paper clip, and that's how this one is going to clip right there. And then I used just regular old stickers from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, very simple. So this one will also open down, and here's the Victoria card secret. Victoria's card secret. Wow, I love when I say stuff like that. The Victoria's Secrets card. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so that's how this one is going to seal right there. Now, this one for me is the hardest one for them to open, because they would have to undo this whole thing. So see, so this one I just did where the hanger is the tie. So they would have to undo this part, pull it out, and open it, and there's the card. So those are the 3 options on how this little card may work, and it's really simple. Now, if you don't have these dies, you can always cut circles by hand or do squares, or I mean, it's the concept, right? So, but this is what I used. I used 3 separate sizes of the nesting circles, and once again, I bought these back when these were hot and heavy and they were just coming out with them, and years and years ago. So I used 3 different sizes. One of them is what makes your card like this, and when you go to cut it, you put this on your paper and you just make sure that you miss a little bit up here, right? So when it cuts it, and this sticks together. So, and then, so you're gonna cut 2 at the big size, 1 at the medium, and 1 at the small, and that's it. That's all you need, plus a few little embellishments. Now the top part right here, the top part of your ornament of the ball, I cut using this. You can just cut a square or a rectangle and fold it in. Now this cardstock that I'm using is not very heavy, so I'm gonna double up on this just to make it a little bit sturdier, since that's where it's going to hang from. I hate when this happens. I just was using it. I lost the top to it. I have not been in my craft room in about a year, and I haven't been in here, and I am all awkward doing this video right now. I don't know if I'm going too fast, or, you know, it's like everything else, if you are out of practice, it shows. So I hope that this is not showing too badly that I'm like, whoa. Okay, so, and the only reason that I'm cutting this with a cutter is because when I cut it by hand, I always cut it cattywampus at slant, and you want this as straight as you can because you're going to glue it back to back, but I'll show you. Okay, so here is the card, and it goes really fast. So I want mine to open down so you can put your card right here, right? So, and I am going to use, all these are different. You know how the double-sided paper, and then when you flip it, and then so you could see different colors. I want to have this on the top, but once again, because this cardstock is not very thick, I have to double it up. You may not have to double it up if you're using heavier cardstock. I'm gonna cut that. Okay, so then you put that on top of that, like I said, just to make it a little bit sturdier. And then here's my top one. Like that. Now on the inside, so make sure that you're keeping it straight here. Okay, so put it down how you want it, how it's straight. I'm going to use this line on my desktop. Now I'm going to take this circle right here, and I'm just going to fold 1/2 back like that. Put your little glue right here to glue it down, and then just glue all the way around here. Very little, just the edges. Now put this down, and this helps the back side become a little bit sturdy too. Okay, so this is, let me take this Victoria's Secret card. This is where your card is going to go. Okay, so you've done that. You've done the front. Now come the little topper. Okay, so once again, keep it straight right here. I'm going to put it right there, and since this has a little decorative edge to it, it looks cute when it comes down. So let's put the front one first. I like to open it to make sure that I'm straight, and right there. Now close it up, and then put your glue on the back side and just align it with that one like that. And there you go. Now I only make on this one right here that doesn't have the magnets, I punctured the hole on both the front and the back topper right here. On these that have this one that has the clip and this one that has the magnet, I only did the hole on the back one. The front one didn't need it. So decide how you're going to seal it. I think this is the easiest one with the little paper clip on it. I think that's what I'm going to do with this one. I'm just going to use a paper clip. So I'm just going to punch a hole on the back side of this right here. Like that. And that's it. You take your ribbon. I mean, this is really quick. I need like 10 of these that I'm going to make, and I just started making them. I said, well, you know, the thinking process took me longer, and the mock-up, trying to figure out what I wanted and how I wanted to do it, because I see all these designs in my head, and then when I try to do them, it never works out the first time. So I go through a lot of trial, error and trial, however you say that. There is that on the back side, and you use your cute little paper clip to shut it, and that's it, hanging on your tree. So for the front of this one, to decorate it, I'm going to use this little star. And this is also from one of those Christmas little die cuts. I don't have it here no more. Put it up. And but you can decorate it. Well, you know, you all are very talented. Use stickers. Don't drop it on everything like I just did. Use stickers. Use anything that you want to decorate the front. Mine are very minimal because I have to do so many of them. And well, would you say these are minimal? No, huh? There's actually a lot going on. That deer is also a die cut, and then I just put some bling right there, flat back bling right there. And then, like I said, that one's just the stickers, and it's just 3 little stickers. And this is like what we're doing, but this one has a bow that I had pre-cut before, and I just used it. So now this one, I'm gonna use this, what are these called? Right now I can't think of anything, y'all. It's been, like I said, it's been a while since I've done a video. I know you. Anyway, I want to cut that off. I'm gonna put just some glue there, and I'm gonna stick it in the center, and it says Merry Christmas. And that is it. That's going to be that card. I'm going to put the gift cards here, and I have some gift cards from Victoria's Secret and some from Ross, and I'm going to go get some gift cards from, I can never remember, Starbucks. I can never remember to say Starbucks, but from Starbucks for everybody, and give those out. And that's it. Cute little ornament, and it looks really cute on the back too, because that has a little pretty little decorative edge. And there you have it. Cute little fast gift cards. It's a card for a gift card. Yeah. So I now, like I said, I haven't been around for a little bit, and I haven't seen these. I don't know if anybody else has done them. If they have, I apologize. I didn't see them. I didn't copy you. I just thought of this while I was sitting here trying to figure it out. But if you have, just drop me a line and I'll give you credit as you doing them too. Anyway, so if you have some little gift cards that you want to give, and you don't want to just put them in a little envelope, you want something fancier, why don't you give them an ornament made by you? All cutesy and crap, huh? All right, ladies, thank you so much. And once again, thank you for all the emails that I've been receiving. Everybody has been so nice, and still people watching my videos and leaving me comments, telling me that they miss me. That always makes my day. And I'm going to try to be back and do more designing, more crafts, more fun stuff, right? Okay, so once again, thank you, and I'll catch you all later. Have a good night.